Hello, it's Prepper What Colleen. How's everybody doing? Kind of doing a spring cleaning day, going through clothes, very disorganized, but trying to go through and get some stuff done. We rearranging some rooms in the house, and if you can see over here, we've got some clothes, we've got some boxes down there. Got some hay. Let's see, we've got the pony cart, and we're basically just going to be going through and trying to do spring cleaning. And then I think there's more boxes, more junk. I'm just kind of taking a break here and gonna get some water and some more caffeine. Coffee. I'll probably be getting coffee. I'm sweating, but more coffee because that's what makes the world go round. Anyway, I've been cutting hair too. The boys' hair were getting out of control. So, like I spend money on some things, but I can cut some boys' hairs, man. A number 2, and then a number 3, and then a touch up on the top, and they're good to go. But anyway, it is going into spring. I know we had snow last week, and today it's like 75 or 80. But my question to everybody out there is, what kind of spring cleaning are you doing? If you haven't worn a piece of clothing in like a year, are you keeping it? Are you getting rid of it? Me personally, there's a few things we'll be keeping, and then there'll be a few things we'll be getting rid of. I'll show you my really big mess too. Oh my gosh, the people who know me, they're gonna be like, yes, that's Colleen. But I'm trying to figure out what is needed and what we can get rid of. So I've got the cabin pulling stuff out there, and then over here's a whole bunch more stuff we're pulling out. We're basically, over the next week or two, literally going to try to be going through stuff and only keeping what we really need or what is necessary, because you can always sell stuff or donate it, and then what I call in my opinion, my Samson and Son, if anybody knows what I'm talking about, it's one of those old shows, Samson and Son. They had a truck full of junk all the time. Well, this is my van, and it can hold quite a bit. People have been amazed what I've stuck in here. But so I kind of drive that around when I'm going garage sailing, or if I'm going Goodwilling, or just hanging out. And then another thing that I think is interesting is here's an idea. We talk about water, how important it is. Go to your main valve on your house, and just for one day, shut it off. See how you and I'm sorry, I'm making everybody dizzy here. See how you and your family do when you take that water that we all use for cleaning, showering, bathing. Come here, Ellie. There's Ellie. Can you guys see her? Yeah. Anyway, come here, Ellie. Come here. Say hey, baby. This is baby girl Ellie. But anyway, see how much water do you use? Or try to just shut off that water for one day. And see, that's the little one. Anyway, and see what you can do without it. Kind of a challenge, and my hair's in my way. And that's something that we're thinking about doing, and we're gonna be getting more ideas to how to collect water on these edges here of the carport, how to collect more water, and how to clean more water. Stuff like that. But anyway, you guys have a blessed day. Remember, you can keep doing it. You can make it. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the like button. Anyway, you guys have a blessed day, and keep on keeping on.